is beneficial because we get an experience from them. We can use that experience to share it with our surroundings so that they don't make the same mistakes as us. We can also use it for our future, to not repeat the same mistakes. And success. We can use failure to learn. Once we learn, we can use the learning to reach success. So we can just sum this picture up by saying failure creates the bridge to success. We have written down 5 reasons why we fail. First one, limited knowledge and experience, which can cause you are unaware of. For example, you're preparing for an exam you have that's upcoming, but you study the wrong pages, so I've missed a few details. You have a few blind spots. 4th point, powerlessness. There are a few factors that cause us to fail that are outside of our control. We have no power over them. Last but not least, lack of discipline. If you don't have discipline, you're not trying. And if you don't try, you'll fail. So we have a rule here. It tells us to keep trying. And if we keep trying, we will eventually succeed. But when we say try, we mean give it your best. Give it 100% of your power. And if you keep doing that, you will eventually succeed. The amount of hours the failures happened in. We divide the amount of failures by the amount of hours, and we get our results. So let's say 0.04 students fail on a test at Ishak schools within 6 hours. So we divide 0.04 by 6, and we get 0.00666. It goes on. So we have